This is iTRIZtv and I'm Valery Prushinsky, and today we will talk about fresh patent application filed by Airbus. Earlier in our videos we talked about patent application of air taxi filed by Uber. Let's see what was proposed by inventors from Airbus. Let's see the picture of this aircraft. It was designed for relatively short distances, 50 or 100 kilometers intra-city flights. That's why it looks like multi-engine drone. It has many rotors for fast takeoff and landing. But what about horizontal flight? And for horizontal flight, the plane has these wings. And inventors envision that these two wings will provide more efficient horizontal flight. And there are two propellers behind the aircraft, and they will push the plane forward. The cabin is placed under the wings, and the batteries will be placed there because inventors propose that aircraft will be fully electrical or hybrid. But in this version, it looks like the plane will transport only very few passengers. That's why inventors proposed slight elongation of the plane, so it can take more passengers. Here they added two more engines installed vertically. And as inventors explained in their patent, most of the concepts of air taxi have tilting engines, propellers or wings, and this makes the design very complicated. Keeping this in mind, it was proposed to use 6 or 8 electrical motors with the horizontal rotors in this invention. That means developers utilized trait known as transition to poly system in theory of inventive problem solving. But except it, there is another interesting step in this invention. Because inventors enhanced this invention by wings and push engines, one can say that they combined two alternative systems. Look carefully. This invention is a hybrid, where vertical takeoff and landing they utilized multiple fixed electrical engines with the ducts with a special noise absorbers installed as in helicopters, and for fast horizontal flight, wings and push engines as in planes. That's all for today. Take care of yourself and your families, and if you like our videos, like and subscribe. And hit the bell because I'm trying to upload 2 videos per week. See you next time!